Ang galing talaga ni Lord, no? Marami tayong gusto, pero hindi natin nakukuha. Marami tayong plano, pero hindi natin nagagawa. Tapos biglang may magandang bagay na dadating. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi His plan is better than ours.
I've spent half my life looking for the reasons things must change, and half my life trying to make them stay the same. But love would fade like summer into fall. You taught me how to love, what it's all. You never said.
Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I move. Show me what love is, haven't got a clue. Show me that wonders can be true. This is not